With less than 4 months until the new year, you have two choices. Continue doing what you're doing and stay at the same level, or take action and start making real money online. Not just a few $1,000s, I'm talking about tens of thousands, maybe even more. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 proven ways to make money online that can drastically change your financial future. Ready? Let's dive in. Method 1. Freelancing, the flexible path to financial freedom. Freelancing is one of the most accessible ways to make money online, and it's a fantastic choice if you're just getting started. Whether you're a video editor, social media specialist, graphic designer, or have any other professional skills, freelancing allows you to offer your services directly to clients without going through any middlemen. Why freelancing is popular? Flexibility. You choose your own hours, projects, and clients. Work from anywhere. As long as you have an internet connection, you can work from any location. Variety. You can work on diverse projects, keeping things fresh and exciting. How much can you make? Beginners can start earning around $1,000 per month as they gain experience and build a portfolio. As you develop your skills and attract more clients, your earnings can quickly increase. Experienced freelancers can make $5,000 or more per month. In-demand professionals, such as developers or UX/UI designers, can earn tens of thousands of dollars per month. However, freelancing isn't just about being good at what you do. It also involves finding clients, negotiating rates, and managing the business side of things. But with dedication, you can turn this into a full-time income stream. Method 2. Starting a digital agency. Scale your freelance business. Once you've gained experience and built a steady client base, the next logical step is to scale your freelance work into a digital agency. This means expanding from a one-person operation to a team that can handle larger projects and multiple clients at the same time. What's involved in running an agency? Team management. You'll need to hire and manage a team of freelancers or full-time employees. Client relationships. It's your job to maintain client satisfaction and secure bigger projects. Marketing and operations. As the agency grows, you'll also need to manage the business side, handling contracts, marketing, and finances. Potential earnings. On average, successful digital agencies can generate between $5,000 and $50,000 per month. Larger, well-established agencies can easily surpass these figures. While the rewards are significant, running an agency requires leadership skills, an ability to motivate your team, and a well-defined niche. But if you're ready to take on the challenge, creating your own agency can be an incredibly rewarding and lucrative venture. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Method 3. Creating a training course. Turn your expertise into passive income. If you've mastered a skill and want to share it with others, creating a training course or online program is an excellent way to monetize your knowledge. With online learning on the rise, the demand for high-quality, specialized courses is huge. What does it take to build a course? Content creation. You'll need to develop training materials such as video lessons, worksheets, quizzes, and other resources. Platform choice. You can host your course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, or even build your own website for maximum control. Promotion. Marketing is key. You need to show your target audience how your course can benefit them and why they should choose you over competitors. Earning potential. Well-structured and promoted courses can bring in thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars. As your course gains popularity, income from sales can snowball, creating passive revenue streams. By creating a course, you not only establish yourself as an authority in your niche, but also set up a scalable way to earn money without trading time for dollars. The more people enroll in your course, the more money you make, all while sharing your expertise. Method 4. Building a brand. Create a lasting business. One of the most sustainable ways to build wealth is by creating your own brand, whether it's a product, a personal brand, or a lifestyle concept. Building a brand can lead to both financial success and long-term recognition. How to build a successful brand. Identify your niche. What gap in the market can you fill? Whether it's a clothing line, cosmetics, or tech accessories, your product needs to stand out. Develop your unique offer. What makes your brand different? Focus on delivering quality products or services that add value to your target audience. Effective marketing. A strong promotional strategy is essential. Without marketing, even the best products can go unnoticed. Branding earnings. Potential. Successful brands can generate monthly incomes ranging from a few $1,000s to hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on the niche and level of recognition. The potential to scale is vast, with global brands reaching new markets and significantly boosting revenue. Building a brand takes time, but with a clear strategy, it can provide you with a long-term, profitable business that continues to grow. Method 5. Content creation. Monetize your creativity. In today's digital age, content creation is one of the most powerful ways to make money online. Whether it's through blogging, podcasting, or social media, content creators have the ability to build massive audiences and generate multiple income streams. Why content creation is a great opportunity. Multiple monetization methods. You can earn through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, donations, or selling your own products and services. Creative freedom. Content can take many forms, from YouTube videos and Instagram posts to blog articles and podcasts. Engagement and growth. The more valuable and entertaining your content, the faster your audience grows, and so does your income. Earnings. Breakdown. Beginner content creators may start by earning a few $100s per month. As your audience grows, income can skyrocket, with popular content creators making hundreds of thousands of dollars through various revenue streams. In addition to creating content, you can grow your personal brand and even start a media network, managing multiple platforms and creators to diversify your income sources. Final thoughts. Choose your path and take action. These are the 5 most popular and effective ways to make money online before 2025. Whether you choose freelancing, launching an agency, building a course, creating a brand, or becoming a content creator, the opportunities are vast and the potential rewards are huge. The key is to start now. Choose a path that fits your skills and interests and begin building towards your financial goals. With persistence, you can succeed and transform your life. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video, and let's make 2025 your best year yet.